All right, welcome back to another episode of Building with Goose.
Broke out my window.
Which one?
Based on that video you just saw, I'm gonna show you how to replace the screen on your screen door. Most of us growing up had a screen door, but we didn't have a screen. It's because no one knew how to put the screen back in the door. So let's check that out. Alright, so all you need is a repair kit. Alright, so this comes with I don't even know what this is called, but this rubber trim piece, this holds the screen in place. Alright. This tool here, this pushes this rubber screen, this border piece, what do they call it? So this is a corner retainer. This is the rubber piece that holds the screen into place. And this tool here pushes the rubber piece inside of the track to hold the screen. All right. And then comes with a brand new screen. Cool. So what? So once that lady gets sober and realizes what she's done, she should go buy a repair kit and get her door set up, right? And use this screen here, the new screen, and just lay it over the door. Just like that. All right. Bring you in close. Okay, once the screen is laid over the door, you see, all the way down, it's laid over the door. Okay. So once you have that in place, that rubber piece that they call the retainer goes into these grooves and it squeezes the screen into place. All right, so we're about to get that done. So this piece here, the retainer piece, goes into the groove here. All right. See how that works? And then you'll do this So as I'm going around the screen, I'm pulling the slack out of the screen so it won't have bubbles in the screen. You know, it'll look smooth and tight. So as you go around, just pull the slack out, make sure it's tight, and then, you know, use the retainer, the rubber, to keep the screen in place. All right. All right, so once you go around the entire door, your door should look like this, right? But you have this extra along the entire door. All right, so all you have to do is take, take some scissors or a utility knife, like so, right? Just cut off the extra, okay? All right, once you do that, your screen back in place. All right, so once you do that, you know, if you have any hardware or handles on the door, you know, just put those back in place. Usually those are just installed with a few screws. That's self-explanatory, you know? All right. Cool. So the next time you're at your friend's house, your grandma's house, or at your drunk auntie's house, and their screen door's messed up, let them know, man, they can buy a repair kit, or you can help them out. Buy the repair kit and just replace the screen, just like that. Might have took an hour, maybe an hour, but yeah, simple, man. All right. Till next time, building with Goose. Yeah.